subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Honor Play 4T and 4T Pro, the company is now reportedly gearing up to launch another smartphone under the same lineup in China called Honor Play 4 Pro. And recently, the upcoming phone was spotted on Chinese e-commerce site JD.com that shows the complete design of the smartphone. According to leak renders, the upcoming Honor Play 4 Pro will support a flat screen with a pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner that includes dual selfie cameras. At the back, it has dual camera setup at the top left corner and a squarish module including LED flash. And below the camera setup, there is some tiny inscription that suggests the phone to include 140 megapixel main camera. The rear panel of the phone also suggests the phone to have Kirin chipset, which is expected to be Kirin 820 processor with 5G connectivity and 40 watts fast charging support. The volume rockers are visible on the right edge, along with the fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button. The left edge of the phone appears to be bare, while the bottom edge is seen to have microphone, speaker grill, ejectable SIM card slot, and a Type-C charging port, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. Apart from this, there is no other details of Honor Play 4 Pro has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Honor Play 4 Pro smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.